everyone, I'm Cindy. Today, let me walk you through some of the standout advantages of this heat pump evaporation system.
Our system uses a heat pump evaporator that recovers waste heat through the heat pump principle, making it far more energy efficient than traditional evaporators. The main unit is constructed from 316L stainless steel, with all product contact surface finished with high-quality polishing. This design eliminates hard-to-clean areas and full complying with food production standards. The entire unit features a skid-mounted, integrated design, which minimizes its footprint, simplifies transportation, and shortens on-site installation time, significantly reducing both installation and shipping costs. And of course, our product also offers personalized customization. It's not just for the food industry, whether in chemical engineering, new energy, or other fields. It efficiently handles evaporation tasks. We can tailor a dedicated solution to fit your specific needs.
This heat pump evaporation system integrates energy efficiency, waste saving, hygiene, and customization, making production not only more efficient but also more worry-free. Follow us for more product details and technical insights. You can also reach out via comments or direct messages. We are here and ready to assist you.